Introducing the new 5-in-1 Landscape Plugger from Pro Plugger. The unique design and adapter plates included with the 5-in-1 make it a versatile planting and transplanting tool to handle many of your lawn and garden needs. Planting your favorite bulbs has never been easier. No more bending over and struggling to dig holes the old way. Quickly and easily dig the right size hole for each variety of bulbs, from hyacinth to daffodils. Adapter plates included with your 5-in-1 allow you to create just the right depth of planting holes, from 2-inch, 4-inch, and even 6-inch deep holes. Varieties of bedding plants are planted throughout the growing season, and the 5-in-1 can make planting your favorite flowers a snap. Step, twist, and pull, and you're ready to plant. Let the 5-in-1 plugger help you create a beautiful lawn without the high cost of sodding or the hard work of seeding from scratch. Repair damaged areas and bare spots by transplanting healthy lawn plugs harvested from your own yard. It turns your lawn into your very own sod farm. As you pull plugs, they get stored or stacked inside the tool, and when you're ready to empty the plugs, simply turn the plugger upside down. Use the 5-in-1 to build a brand new lawn by cutting your own plugs from pieces of sod that you've purchased. Create a beautiful border edge for your lawn or a winding garden path with the 5-in-1. Lay out perfect planting holes in a straight line or a nice winding curve. Whether you're fighting dandelions, wild onions, broadleaf dock, or thistles, the Pro Plugger helps eliminate all of these hard-to-kill weeds by getting to the root of the problem, quickly plugging out the entire weed, stem, bulb, roots, and all. A lawn plugger, a bulb planting tool, a border planter, a weeding tool, and a bedding planter. The new, all-steel constructed 5-in-1 landscape plugger from Pro Plugger. Made in America, made to last.
The Magic Creeper is the most versatile creeper ever. Its patent-pending design is a breakthrough in creeper technology and the only one of its kind available. The unique tubular shape acts like a track moving along endlessly. The super slick inner layer acts like millions of tiny ball bearings for effortless movement even on rough or uneven surfaces. The high-strength, durable outer layer is puncture, water, and oil resistant. The resilient middle layer provides comfort, insulation from heat and cold, and protection. This patent-pending 3-layer construction makes the Magic Creeper the most versatile creeper ever. The Magic Creeper comes with integrated straps for quick and easy retention for storage. The Magic Creeper's versatility eliminates the problems common with conventional creepers. Conventional creepers are bulky and awkward. The small size and light weight of the Magic Creeper is easy to store or take along. The Magic Creeper has the lowest height of any creeper available, getting you into otherwise inaccessible places. The Magic Creeper has 0 ground clearance. Uneven surfaces are no problem. The Magic Creeper won't get stuck in gravel, soft surfaces, or obstructions. The Magic Creeper won't scratch expensive floor finishes. The Magic Creeper stays where you put it. It's easy to get on or off the Magic Creeper, and it can't tip over. The Magic Creeper has room for your tools, so they're always within reach. There's no wheels or other parts to maintain. The Magic Creeper is oil, grease, and water resistant, and it's easy to clean. And the Magic Creeper has many additional uses for the car, RVs, and around the home.
Let me go. Let me go. Sunshine, let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
So get the most versatile creeper ever, the Magic Creeper.